Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to do text classification in Flutter app with MediaPipe, mostly like sentiment analysis. So firstly I'll show you guys the output. So here is the output for iOS. So I have one button called classify. Once I click on it, I have passed some hard-coded text to it and it determines whether it was positive or negative. Similar it is for Android as well. So yeah, I click on a text and it gives me back whether the result was positive or negative. So first what you'll have to do is you will have to download either of these two models depending on what you are trying to do. I have downloaded this model, but you can use this as well, and you can read what exactly this model does. Next you will have to go to your Flutter project. Inside main.dart I have refactored this my homepage widget. I have created a method channel called text platform as well as one variable for it, and inside column I have taken one text button, and here as you can see I am invoking a method called classify, and this is the hard-coded text which I am sending it from Flutter side to native side. And once we get a result back, I am assigning it to a data variable and I am displaying it inside the text widget. Next you will have to go to the Android settings.gradle, update kotlin to 1.9.0, go to app build.gradle, update min SDK version to 24, and here I have added our MediaPipe task text dependency. Next go to src main assets. Here I have added the two TF Lite models which we will be using. You need only one, but yeah, use whatever makes sense to you. Next go to kotlin main activity.kt, and here I have created our method channel result. This is our current model, the bird classifier which I am using. I have created a base options builder for it, and I am building it. Then I am calling text classifier and setting the base options to it, then calling options builder.build. Then I have created one variable for text classifier and I am initializing it inside the onCreate method, and inside configure Flutter engine. This is our method channel for text platform, and once classify method is called, I am getting the data from Flutter side and I am passing it to the classify method of text classifier, and then from that we get our classification result classification, and from that we get categories, and with the help of categories we get category name as well as display name, and we send it back to the Flutter side. Next for iOS, firstly in new Flutter projects I noticed that there is no pod file for iOS. So to generate a pod file, what I did was I added this dependency of URL launcher. Now you can add any dependency which generates a pod file. URL launcher is not necessary, but yeah, I wanted this pod file, so I have to use a hack, and then inside the pod file I added this dependency of MediaPipe task test. Then you will have to open your terminal, cd to your iOS project and run pod space install, so it will install all the pod file for you. Then open the XE workspace inside Xcode. First drag and drop your two TF Lite models and make sure target membership is checked. Next inside app delegate.swift file, basically I have imported MediaPipe task text, and here I have created our bird classifier. Then I have created text classifier options, text classifier, and here we are just getting our model path and setting it to our options as well as score threshold, initializing our text classifier here, then getting our controller and method channel over here. And once classify method is called, first we get the text which has been sent from Flutter side, and then we send it to the classify method of text classifier, and from that we get the classification result as well as classifications, and if it is not equal to empty, we just get the categories for it. And once the category name is not equal to empty, we send it back to the Flutter side, and here I am just sending any error in case if there is any error. Okay, so yeah, that's it for iOS as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.